Alright, almost there. Almost got it. Oh. Aww, what could I possibly make to lean my phone against? Aha! I have an idea!
Alright, so the first thing we need is a square. So, you know what that means? We need to use the corner cut method again. So if you watched my previous videos, you'll know exactly what that means and why a lot of origamis require the corner cut method. Let's just get that done right now. Alright, there we go. Square made. Alright, the first thing you need to do is fold the paper in half. Great. Now you need to take both sides and fold them towards the center crease. As I'm doing right here. Then you do the other one. Right. Now keep with the sides still folded inwards. Flip the whole thing around. Now you're going to fold it in half again. This may look pretty strange, but it'll make sense later. Alright, so now keep it folded, and now place it on the table, and then what I recommend that you start with the side that's folded to the left, like the crease here on the left for this side. So what you're going to do is that you're going to take the bottom right top flap, not the whole flap like this, but just the top flap, and then make a diagonal fold with it. It's pretty easy. Just a little bit off. Alright, now you're going to take the top left, top right, top flap, and then do the same thing. Alright. Now flip the whole thing over and do the same thing with the other top flap. Except this time it's in the other direction with the top left and the bottom left. So do the same thing. Cool. Alright, now unfold the whole thing. So as you can see here, you might get like this weird zigzag crease pattern, and that's what we need. Alright, the next thing you want to do is flip it back over. And now you're going to take just the bottom section, like beneath the central crease, and then fold it in half lengthwise towards you. And if you're doing it right, like the crease should go up until the center on the second half. And then as you're folding, you'll notice that this will start spreading out like a weird umbrella. So make sure that when you finish folding, you squash this umbrella thing to the side. And now unfold it slightly, spread it out a little bit, and now you want to push this triangle bit inward. Like this. And then fold right back up. Alright, now you want to take this tip and then fold it at this 90-degree corner right here. Just fold it down here, like this. And then unfold it. Alright, now unfold everything you just did. And now what you should get is this weird crease corner thing. Oh, now, just like in the pyramid fidget thing, where we connect a point A to point B with a small crease in between, we're going to do that like this, but for all of these sides. So, let's do that. And these are much smaller too, so it's not going to be so hard. Okay, last one. Alright, so there we go. This looks much better. This looks much more like a square now. Okay, now you flip it over one more time, and this is what it should look like. One half of this folded paper should have this square pattern. Then the other half should just have a regular X. Alright, what you're going to do now is that you're going to, with the square pattern at the top and this part at the bottom, you're going to unfold the left side of the paper, and then you're going to take the right, and then and then bend it towards this crease. Not the halfway point, but this crease. And then as you're doing it, you need to make sure that this section right here is kind of like popped upwards. So that way, as you're folding, this is the most complicated part, but as you're folding, it will create a triangle. And this is still correct. You just need to kind of push it into the side a little bit. Just to make it more sharp. Then you're going to take the left side and then fold it right back over the right. And then you kind of have to mold it a bit onto the triangle since it wasn't there before. That way it'll all fit together. All right. Now turn the whole thing around so that the triangle is pointed towards you. You're going to kind of repeat the same thing on this side. You're going to unfold the left side, and then without unfolding the right side, move it over to via this crease onto here, and then fold the left side back over again. All right. Now what we're going to do is that if you see this giant this giant central crease, you're going to push it to the left. So like the triangle should be on the left side and this part on the right. So that means you need to push this central crease to the left. And as you push, it's gonna bend the triangle with it. That's what we want. Eventually it's gonna turn into this weird squash fold. And you press down on the table. Alright, and then you unfold it into the position it was previously in. Alright, now you can flip it over. And we are almost there. This is what it's supposed to look like, but we're not quite there yet. If we want it so you can fit in your pocket, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna fold it in half like this, like 3D wise, and then if you see this top crease, that means that we're gonna have to just fold it in half. So it's kind of like a triangular folding in half crease, and then you're gonna push down. All right, so congratulations, you have made your first official paper phone stand that can fit in your pocket. So this is what it looks like when it's all folded up and compacted. You can easily put it in your pocket and take it wherever you want. If you want to unfold it, if you notice these two leg things at the bottom, there's no one at the top, you just pull them apart really easily and it'll unfold. Now you can tell that this looks a lot sharper. So now you can put your phone in the space, in the negative space in between this pyramid and this triangle. If your phone is small enough, let me use this eraser for reference. You can even stand it up like vertically if your phone is small enough. But usually, but you can also put it horizontal. You can lead it horizontally as well. I actually use this design a lot whenever I'm filming or whenever I just want to hold my phone somewhere. It's really easy. It's pretty easy to make. It's really cool. It's really easy to take wherever with you, and it's pretty cool to show off to your friends. So that was cool, huh? You know, it may seem confusing at first, and you may have to retry a couple of times, but once you get it, it'll be knowledge worth knowing. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe, and if you have any questions, then please comment in the section below. But yeah, my name is Skateboard Jack, and thanks for watching.